Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T. Back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box as always. Today I got a $515 Soul Supremacy mystery box. Just like I said, for those who are new to the channel, these are mystery boxes from a company called Soul Supremacy out in California. We buy them every week. Every Sunday I go live and try to get me a box. First come, first serve. You racing to get you a box in the cart, and yeah, what you get is what you get. So like I said, this one cost me 515 bucks. I've been having okay luck lately. This is one of the cheaper boxes I done had in the past few weeks, but I'm still happy I got one. So we're gonna jump right in and see what we got. Hopefully we got something good in here. Fingers crossed. See what we're rocking with today. Alright, we in there. First off, no loose shoes. That's a good sign. All the shoes come with boxes. Hopefully they all in their original boxes. First up, I got a Nike KD Elite. Nike KD Elite, size 8.5. See what we got. Don't know the name of these. All I know is it is in a KD Elite. They in really good shape, as you can see from the bottoms. Take out the other one for y'all. Size 8.5 on these. I haven't seen this shoe in a while. So KDs don't do too good here in Oklahoma. I've said that a million times on the channel, but ever since he left, it's hard to move the KDs. I got I'm gonna go with this Nike box. I got an old Nike box, and I can tell from the sticker what's in the box. Looks like a pearl foam. It's covering up the size tag though. We got some pearl foams, size 10.5, and they seem to be in great shape too. These are in really good shape. Size 10.5. Same foams from He Got Game. These are very nice. Still icy on the bottom. Whoever had them took care of them. Got plastic in the box. Alright. I got a Jordan, another old box. Hopefully this box isn't filled with a bunch of old shoes. Jordan Retro 4, size 10. Let's see what we got. Military Blues, size 10. See what release this is. 2006 release. Has some toe box creasing. But surprisingly, there's not a lot of midsole crack at all. So that's a really good sign, especially on these 4s. Pretty clean. Still, like I said, toe box creasing. Nothing but old boxes. Alright, now we're moving into some good stuff, hopefully, towards the bottom of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and show this Jordan 1 box. Everybody get excited when you pull a Jordan 1 box. Size 8.5. These are kind of nice. We got the Laney Jordan 1s. Really great shape, really good shape. Show you out the bottom. Hopefully it'll focus in on those stars. Still have plenty of stars on there. The Laney colorway, the yellow and blue. Last box I pulled some Brazil Air Force Ones that was yellow and blue, same colorway. that's pretty nice right there. Those still go for a pretty penny. Ooh, I see something down here and I hope they my size. Alright, we got a big old size 14. No idea what these are called. They are huge. They are dead stock, size 14. Look like some kind of Jordan 1 mid. I don't know if they have a nickname or anything like that, but they are dead stock. Size 14. I got a couple people wear size 14s with the original box. Like I said, I love getting boxes that don't have a bunch of loose shoes. It's just easier to move when you get the OG boxes with them. This was a 565, I mean a 515 box. The last box was 565. This is a 515, and this box is looking pretty good. Another 8.5. We got some more Laneys. We got the Laney 5s this go around. Laney 5s. These are pretty nice too. Man, that's a dope colorway, man. And I like 5s. Size 8.5 on these. Pretty good condition. Need a little bit of a wipe down. Bottom still pretty icy. Just probably need a good little cleaning and these will be good to go. Size 8.5 with the original box. And I've been waiting to get to this box because I can't even see the size on it. But I hope they my size. Size 10. Last shoe in the box, man. Y'all can tell from the box what we got. I've pulled this shoe so many times in these beater boxes, but I've never pulled my size. These are a 10. I don't know if I can rock a 10. I need probably a 10.5, 11. And they're in great shape. We got the Gammas. Man, I need these in my size. Size 10 on the Gammas. Really clean. Still have the the 23 on the back. Really clean. I got a lot of 11s. And I never had these in my size, I don't think. I'm pretty sure I haven't had these. Because I don't think I would have got rid of them. But yeah, man, that's going to conclude the 515 box. And I really think this box is going to do pretty good. For me, I feel like about the 515 to about 850 boxes do really good to me. I feel like that's the sweet spot right now because I've been hitting pretty strong with them. And I've seen a 575 box. Mitch opened up a 575. SB Mitch opened up a 575 box a couple days ago. Last week on his channel, his box was solid too. So I feel like these might be the sweet spot right now for Soul Supremacy in the mystery boxes. So I will not be mad if I keep on hitting them like that. That's pretty good. I'm happy with it. But that's gonna conclude the box. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for your time stopping through, checking out the channel. All the prices for everything should be down below in the description. You can hit me up on TGOTSOLE@gmail.com, or you can just DM me and I can shoot you some more pictures and all that good stuff. And just keep checking the description, and I'll keep it updated as much as I can. For everything that's sold, be sold. Everything that's still available, you should see the price, and the price down below will include the shipping. So yeah, y'all holla at me, let me know. I'm out. Peace.